At Miele Professional, we sell our products through a network of approved partners throughout England, Scotland and Wales. We have done this for the past 17 years.
My name's Paul Chisnell and I'm the General Manager of Hughes Pro. We work seamlessly with Miele. Their product is widely considered to be the best on the market. Many of us have visited the factory so we can see the quality and really get behind the brand. The areas that we cover are predominantly East Anglia, Norfolk and Suffolk, and part of Essex and Cambridgeshire. We have got 5 engineers and we've got a dedicated install team as well. The main sector is the care sector, but we do hospitality, we do leisure as well. We've got a vast array of customers. It's very natural for us in Hughes Pro to have service as our number one concern for our customers.
The installation, as I say, was done very professionally. The machines are amazing, they're exactly what we need. I would recommend Hughes Pro to anybody.
It's the end-to-end solution that Hughes can offer, right from designing their laundry in the early stage through to managing it. So everything that their customer might need to run their laundry can be done under one roof here at Hughes Pro.
We've enabled Miele to come and train us in our facilities, which is a lot more efficient, and it means that we can train a lot of our staff in one go.
I think the Miele brand is very important. It reflects upon us as also respected enough by Miele to represent their brand, which they're proud of.
Miele fits us perfectly because they have similar brand values. It means that customer service is absolutely top of the priority list.
Each partner receives comprehensive training in Miele Abingdon and is therefore authorised by us to sell, install and commission all Miele Professional products. For peace of mind, when you are buying a Miele Professional product, please ensure that you buy it from a Miele approved partner, because only they can offer you excellent sales advice and first-class after-sales care for Miele Professional.